Hello, and thank you for watching another Ethical Chem mini webinar video. And this one is on the topic of surfactant enhanced product recovery, or SEPR, to remove bulk NAPL. Ethical Chem's surfactant enhanced product recovery technology enables efficient recovery of non-aqueous phase liquids, including coal tar and creosote. The process involves a proprietary plant-based surfactant blend along with low doses of hydrogen peroxide, typically around 1%. And in this case, the hydrogen peroxide is not intended to be used as an oxidant, but rather it provides a physical advantage where the bubbles generated from the decomposition provide a physical agitation to help loosen the NAPL and help facilitate movement of the NAPL to recovery wells. The SEPR process is able to treat both D-NAPL as well as L-NAPL. SEPR can be implemented as a primary treatment, or it could be used in sequence with our surfactant-enhanced in-situ chemical oxidation process, just depending on the site criteria. A demonstration on how SEPR works. We have here set up an extraction system on the left and the SEPR chemicals and injection system on the right. There's a NAPL plume in the subsurface along with the dissolved phase contaminants. So SEPR chemicals are injected. The peroxide decomposes and generates gas bubbles which help facilitate and movement of the NAPL, and it travels to the recovery wells where it's extracted. This provides a bulk source removal of the NAPL, but residual contamination may remain, and if you do have low site criteria, this is where we would recommend sequencing this with our SISCO, or surfactant enhanced in situ chemical oxidation process. So picking up here, a sequenced approach would look like what you just saw with SEPR, and then with residual contaminants remaining, the extraction system would be removed and those wells can be turned into injection wells. The SISCO chemicals would then be injected to the subsurface. Surfactants and oxidants are simultaneously injected. The residual contamination is emulsified by the surfactant and simultaneously oxidized by the aqueous phase oxidant. This sequenced approach provides bulk removal of the NAPL, and the SISCO process would then provide clean soil and groundwater. Be no potential rebound because there's no residual contamination. Sites that are optimal for the SEPR SISCO process are sites that you may be trying to achieve criteria, low site criteria in a short time frame, where removal is a very quick process, and we can then come in and oxidize just the residual contamination with the SISCO. We go after the heavy contaminated sites, including NAPL, D-NAPLs, L-NAPLs, anything from VOCs down to PAHs. SEPR and SISCO can address a broad range of contamination. And the most important thing is SEPR and SISCO provide permanently clean soil. So by addressing that source and permanently removing the source, you will forever eliminate potential rebound at the site, resulting in a permanently clean soil and ground. Thank you again for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed this video.